Honey, make him go the other way. That's my boy.
That's my Superman. Yes. That's all done.
Okay, run around the house now, Jack. Run around with your balloon. Don't go under the
Come
table.
this way, Jack. Come on. Come on, Jackson. Yes, come on, Jackson. Woo-hoo. We're going to be in the parade. Come on, Jack. What's that thing following you, dude? Come on.
No, only walk in front of the fireplace. Don't go all around like that. Oh, teach him to jump. Jump over the stick like we were doing. Go on, Jack. Jump. Jump. Oh, no.
Uh-oh.
What do you do? Go under the table?
Stuck.
Don't let him hang himself.
What happened?
Okay, Jack. Jump over the thing. Come on. Jump.
That'll help lift you up. It's helium. This might be considered non-abuse.
I think my sister would say that.
I think you better not choke anybody. Now he's going to drag it under the tree and pull the tree down. It's going to be your fault. Come here, Jack. You want some pepperoni? Come on, get some pepperoni. Come here, boy. Come here, come here. Get some pepperoni.
Yeah.
Now I'll show you what it's really good for.
Don't you pop it.
Come here, Jack. This is how we talk after we...
Nuh-uh. You're just doing it.
Okay.
Do the whole thing.
Hello? Hello? Is that you? Hello? Hello? Hello?